this is Ben with SYS Education. This week on Tech Tip Tuesday, we're going to show you some keyboard shortcuts to help you navigate your Chromebook better and make your workflow more efficient. All right, everybody, so let's jump right into this. We are going to learn some helpful keyboard shortcuts that I think will help make your day-to-day workflow more efficient, faster, and probably more fun too, to be honest. So what is a keyboard shortcut? Well, pretty much anything that you can do on your computer with your mouse, you can also do with your keyboard as long as you know which buttons to press. So let's give an example here. Many of you probably know how to copy and paste already. If you highlight some text and then you right-click on the text, you open up what's called the context menu, at the top of which are a few options: cut, copy, and paste. From here, you can click copy, and then maybe you jump down a couple lines, and then maybe you right-click again, and then you hit paste. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. It works, but let me show you something that's a little bit faster. We're going to do this with our keyboard using a keyboard shortcut. So I'm going to highlight the text again. Still got to do that. Now I'm going to press Control and C on my keyboard. It doesn't look like anything happened, but this line of text was actually copied onto my computer's clipboard. From here, I can jump down a couple of lines, press Control and V, and it'll paste it. The same thing works with cut and paste as well. So maybe I want to move this line from the middle of the paragraph down to the bottom. I can highlight it, Control X to cut, come down to the bottom, Control V to paste. So you can see how much faster this is, and once you get used to it, it'll just become like second nature. You won't want to copy and paste any other way, I promise. So on the subject of tabs, you can click around between tabs like this, but sometimes you might want to do it a little bit faster. And to do that, you can use a keyboard shortcut. So let's say I want to jump from this Google Doc tab to the Wikipedia tab. If I press Control on my keyboard and hold it down, and then press Tab, I will actually jump over to the next tab. This will always cycle to the right, so every time I press Tab while I have Control held down, it will cycle to the tab to the right. If I want to jump to the left, I can hold Control, hold Shift, and then press Tab, and now I'll cycle back to the left. So this is handy if maybe you're typing on your essay and you want to reference the Wikipedia article really quick. You can just tab over like that super fast, and you don't have to move your hands off of the keyboard. Now, this same concept applies to applications as well. So maybe you have this Google Doc open and you're taking notes while you're in a Zoom class. So I can press Alt on my keyboard and hit the Tab button, and it will pull up this little menu. If I keep Alt held and press Tab over and over again, you can see that I'm actually changing which application I'm going to have selected. So let's pull Zoom up. If I hit Alt and Tab again, it'll pull Chrome to the front. Do it again, it'll pull Zoom to the front. So this is a really fast way to switch between tabs. Maybe, again, you're in a Zoom lesson here with your teacher and your classmates, and you want to reference some notes you took, or maybe an assignment or something really quick. You can just jump over like this. Now, maybe you want to have both windows open at the same time and you want to be able to see both. You can do that as well with your keyboard. So while I have Chrome selected, I'm going to hit press and hold Alt on my keyboard, and then I'm going to press the left bracket button. And you can see that it jumps over to the left side of my desktop. Now I'm going to select Zoom by cycling to that application. Then I'm going to press Alt on my keyboard and hit the right bracket button. And that will tether it to the right side of my desktop. So now both windows are open. I can see the Google Doc while I'm typing my notes, and I can see my teacher and my classmates in my Zoom lesson. If I want to give one or the other a little bit more room, I can hover to the middle, select this arrow here, and drag to resize both windows together, making one bigger and one smaller. Now, let's say that during this Zoom lesson, I don't need to reference my notes anymore, and I just want to pay attention to class. I can maximize the zoom window by pressing Alt on my keyboard and then the plus key. That will make it full screen. Maybe I'm done with this Zoom meeting and I don't have another one for a while and I just kind of want to tuck Zoom away for the time being while I work on some other homework. I can press Alt and the minus key, and that will minimize it down in my toolbar. Now, I wanted to show you one last thing, and this is probably the coolest part. There's a ton more keyboard shortcuts. There's so much you can do. Like I said earlier, almost anything you can do with your mouse, you can do with your keyboard as well. So if you have something you want to look up, maybe you're hoping that there's a keyboard shortcut for some task, or you just want to look into what else you can do, on your keyboard, if you press Control and Alt and the / key, you'll actually open up a menu that has a list of every keyboard shortcut you can do on your Chromebook. And like I said, there are a lot of them. Well, that's it, everyone. I hope that video was helpful for you. Go ahead and leave a comment below with which shortcut you think is the most useful. And if you enjoyed the video, remember to like and subscribe for more.